Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Meghalaya Cabinet to meet Union Home Minister tomorrow demanding CBI or NIA probe into the MUKROH incident. Unidentified miscreants torch vehicle in Shillong. Several stranded tourists leave Shillong. Police provides security to outbound tourists. And traditional pomp, gaiety mark Sengkutsnem celebration in Shillong. And now for the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will lead a cabinet delegation to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi tomorrow to demand for a CBI or NIA probe into Assam police firing incident which killed 5 persons from Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons after the cabinet meeting, he said that a special investigation team has also been constituted to investigate the incident and the same will be handed over to a central agency once approved by the centre. The delegation would also be meeting and submitting a report on the incident to the National Human Rights Commission in New Delhi for necessary action. Further, Sangma informed that the government has also decided to constitute a judicial commission under the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952 to look into all the aspects of the incident that has taken place.
Go ahead with a judicial commission. How and in what shape it will be, whether it will be joint or whether it will be just by our own state commission will be put up or with in consultation with the central government. Those aspects we can work on. I am of the opinion that it should be done, but that is nothing. But we are speaking on behalf of our government, and our government is going to give the ex gratia. As far as the information that has come to me, Assam government also may do the same.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma along with the Deputy Chief Minister and other cabinet ministers visited MUKROH where 6 people were killed in firing by Assam police yesterday. During the visit, the Chief Minister met the family of the victims and assured full cooperation from the government's side. He said that action is being taken following the incident and resolving boundary dispute is the topmost priority of the government.
We are here also to ensure that action is taken. We are also here to assure you that all the steps that are required to ensure that in future these kind of things and this oppression and this kind of difficulties you're facing should not be there. And also to assure you that the border issue is one of our top priorities and we will do everything in our capacity to ensure that we are able to resolve the border issue at the earliest. I want to assure you that.
Unidentified miscreants on Tuesday set ablaze a Scorpio bearing Assam registration number plate while it was parked along the roadside at Jhalupara. The incident took place near Mahavir Park at around 7:20 p.m. when miscreant torched the vehicle. The black Scorpio carrying 3 passengers coming from West Khasi Hills was on its way to Guwahati when the incident took place. Meghalaya police today provided security to several tourists from outside Assam who are stranded in Shillong to leave the state. The situation became intense in Shillong after Assam police shot dead 6 people including 5 Meghalaya residents at MUKROH on Tuesday, after which an Assam registration vehicle was also torched in Shillong last night. These vehicles were bought from going to Guwahati following the firing incident. Today, these vehicles left for Guwahati with an escort provided by the state police. Expressing their views regarding yesterday's development, many tourists said that such incidents would severely affect the tourism industry in the state and locals would be adversely affected. Thousands of tourists, including foreigners, had come to Shillong to witness the Cherry Blossom Festival.
तो कोई टूरिस्ट बाहर का यहाँ नहीं आएगा, लोकल पब्लिक को इससे जो रोजी रोटी मिलती है वो बंद हो जाएगी। यही चाहता है सब मिलजुल के रहो और यहाँ की पब्लिक को रोजी रोटी मिले। हम लोग आएंगे तो उनको रोजी रोटी मिलेगी, अगर हम लोग ही नहीं आ पाएंगे, आ ही नहीं पाएंगे, अभी कौन ला के लाएंगे रिस्क लेके।
Never in my life, I'm 68-year-old, I have never faced such a problem in my life. So that is why we are scared of this problem. The government should look after this. The right, they should control the rights, whatever who is doing. So at least the tourists should be safe. So who will come to this Meghalaya now if they are going to create this problem?
Soon after the firing at MUKROH by Assam police, opposition leader Mukul Sangma visited MUKROH village and met the injured people and the family of the victims who died in the incident. Sangma said that both the state should have followed the SOPs and modalities that have been laid by both the states to deal with such situations. Meanwhile, the party also organized a candlelight vigil in Shillong to stand in solidarity with those victims who have lost their lives in the incident. Prayers marked the beginning of Seng Kutsnem, followed by a procession from the Ying Seng at Maukartil Waking Ground in Jayau here. This day marks the beginning of a movement and awakening of the Khasi community to preserve the existing and unique traditions. And every year, the Seng Khasi, which is an indigenous faith-based organization, commemorates November 23rd as Seng Kutsnem. It was on this day in 1899, 16 young Khasi men formed an organization called the Seng Khasi with the objective to protect the indigenous beliefs and culture of the Khasis from cultural and societal oppression. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 9.2 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 41% and in the evening 63%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Meghalaya Cabinet to meet Union Home Minister tomorrow demanding CBI or NIA probe into the MUKROH incident. Unidentified miscreants torch a vehicle in Shillong. Several stranded tourists leave Shillong. Police provide security to outbound tourists. And traditional pomp Gaiety mark Seng Kutsnem celebration in Shillong. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.